In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TradeLocker in funding pips. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to fundingpips.com and you first want to basically buy a challenge or join a competition, and you essentially just have to sign up and you have to create your account. After you create your account, inside your account dashboard, you'll be able to get the credentials to actually get started with TradeLocker and to actually use TradeLocker with funding pips. Now, you can't actually use TradeLocker in funding pips, however, you can do vice versa. So you can use funding pips inside the TradeLocker, which is basically what you're looking for, and it's the same thing. So whenever you have your credentials ready and you've created and bought your plan on your account or your challenge, what you're going to want to do is you go to this website, which is called live.tradelocker.com. And over here, you're going to have to, if you have a live account, you want to basically just go ahead and type in your email, your password, and then your server that's provided inside Funding Pips to actually sign in and to actually get access to TradeLocker with your Funding Pips account. Or if you have a demo one, go to demo.tradelocker.com or click switch to demo over here, put in your credentials from Funding Pips, and then you'll be able to essentially just get in here and use this platform to trade, which is TradeLocker.com. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.